Hello, and welcome to Someka Information Technology KPI Dashboard template. KPIs, which means key performance indicators, are really essential for companies and getting much more important day by day. Because every successful business organization needs to analyze their performance to see improvement clearly. This tool lets you track these figures in a professional and user-friendly way. So let's see the details. Basically, the template has two main sections. The first one is the section in which we input our values like current year actual, current year target, and past year actual. And the second one is section at which we analyze our results in the dashboard view and also together with charts at the same time. Additionally, in KPI info sheet, you can see the details and descriptions for each KPI we have used in the template. So, we put some domain information to show you the tool, but you'll fill this template with your own data. Let's make an example together now. I want to add new profits KPI to my report as a new item. So I'm going to add this new item to my input sections here. I can use the existing empty areas or add a new row. For this example, I'm just going to use Financial Management Group, and instead of inputting manually, I'm just going to copy and paste values from another file that I've been working on before. I'm just taking past year values and putting into relevant section as a value. Similarly, I'm taking current year target and putting into current year target section as a value. And finally, I'm taking current year actual and putting into relevant section, and don't forget to select the value. That's okay. Now we can see the dashboard updates. See? According to our new KPI, dashboard section shows monthly and cumulatively results at the same time. We can change the month from this drop-down easily to see the details by monthly. And in the chart section, we can track our trends with monthly and cumulatively. Let's select our new item to see charts update accordingly. That's all. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check our other templates at Someka website. Thank you.